Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this delicious creamy beetroot feta hummus. We're going to need 2 medium cooked beetroots, that's about 150 grams, peeled and roughly chopped, 200 grams drained and rinsed chickpeas, 60 grams feta cheese, 1 teaspoon salt plus extra salt and pepper to taste, 1 garlic clove, lemon juice to taste, and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Start by processing the beetroot, chickpeas, feta, garlic and lemon juice until fairly smooth, then add the olive oil and blend until fully incorporated. Add cold water 1 teaspoon at a time if the hummus is too thick. Adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and more lemon juice. Now enjoy! Personally, I love to add this hummus on top of my 5-ingredient soft tortilla wraps, so if you feel like trying that out, you can find the recipe for the wraps on my channel too. Thanks for watching!